Hello, credit warriors. This is TouchSuite Merchant and Payment Processing and POS Systems Provider. Are you ready to master credit repair payments, best practices and solutions? Today, we're diving into the intricate world of credit repair, uncovering the secrets that make a robust credit repair payment gateway considering around-the-clock domestic support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. The landscape of credit repair merchant processing. Understanding the nuances of credit repair transactions, with unique considerations like recurring payments and intricate billing cycles, is key to mastering this domain. The dynamics of credit repair payment processing. To optimize transactions, businesses must leverage advanced payment processing systems, going beyond standard gateways with tailored features to meet the specific needs of the credit repair industry. E-commerce credit card processing, a crucial component. Streamlining systems for online services, especially the ability to accept credit cards, opens new avenues for reaching clients and simplifies the payment process. High-risk payment processing, a necessary consideration. Credit repair businesses often find themselves in the high-risk category. That's where specialized solutions come in, ensuring efficient operations while mitigating potential risks. The challenge of CBD merchant account integration. With the right credit repair payment gateway, seamless integration becomes a reality, ensuring a unified and efficient approach. Tailoring solutions, payment processing for high-risk industries. The ideal payment processing prioritizes security, offering flexibility and scalability. As your credit repair business grows, the payment processing system adapts accordingly. The essence of a credit repair payment gateway. Payment gateway facilitates secure and seamless transactions, bridging the gap between your business, clients, and financial institutions. Before we wrap up, remember to like and subscribe for more industry insights. For cutting-edge payment solutions, visit TouchSuite, your go-to payments provider for over 20 years. Thanks for watching.